You're gonna then take your deep dish pie crust here and add some sliced up peaches. Ooh, these got summertime written all over them. So here I have about 6 sliced peaches because I just wanted this pie crust to just be overflowing with these peaches. Oh my gosh, look at how delicious it looks already. Ooh. Then I'm gonna grab some sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces, and just start to pour that right over on these peaches. Now, it doesn't really matter what brand of sweetened condensed milk that you use, but what I will say is that this Carnation one seems to be a little bit on the thicker side. Of course, when it starts to heat up in the oven, it's just gonna combine with all of the juices from the peaches, and it's gonna slide right in there, right in with this pie. You guys are in for a treat today. We have an easy pie here today for some summertime fun, right? A little bit less time in the kitchen, a little bit more fun with our family and friends. So once you have that can all out, it's covering up those peaches. It's looking fabulous. It's smelling tasty. Oh yeah, moving right along. So we have our little pie crust here loaded up. We're just gonna slide it over to the side and invite in some melted butter. So we have, let's see, a half cup of melted butter here. Now look at this. Some instant oatmeal, peaches and cream is what I'm going for today. So I have 4 packets of the peaches and cream oatmeal that I'm gonna pour into this half a cup of butter. You guys are in for a treat with this one. One of my favorite ways to top a fruit pie is using the instant oatmeal with the butter. So if you haven't tried it, now is your chance, right? You are watching this for a reason. Look at this, I'm making a mess over here. I thought I did it good, but you know what? Okay, here we go. It all works out in the end. It all works out in the end. I'm gonna take my handy dandy fork and go ahead and give that a stir. So you'll notice that all of that oatmeal just kind of gets mixed in with that butter, and when this bakes in the oven, it's gonna give us a golden brown crispy crust. Now, of course, I use peaches and cream because I thought that it would be fun to pair it with the sweetened condensed milk and with the peaches, but you could choose different. So we'll bring the pie back in, and now we are gonna top it with this oatmeal crumble here that we have. Oh yeah, baby. You guys, how easy is this? We have our deep dish pie crust, then we layered it with some fresh peaches, then we put a can of sweetened condensed milk on top, and now we're just gonna layer it with a whole layer of this buttery peaches and cream oatmeal crumble topping that is gonna be delicious when those peaches start to get hot, melt. Some of those juices are gonna come out. They're gonna combine with that sweetened condensed milk. My mouth is seriously watering already. I mean, look at how good that looks already, and it's not even in the oven yet, you guys. We are next level today, so let's pop it in the oven. It's gonna cook at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes, and stick around. You're gonna love this easy pie. We've got a delicious peach pie here that I cannot wait to dig into. Look at that crumble on top and the little bit of the peaches just peeping out. It looks super cute and super tasty. All right, let's see. I did try to let it cool down for a little bit, but I think it might be still a little bit on the warm side here. We're just gonna give it a try anyways. All right, we got a nice little piece here. Look at all of those tasty peaches. A nice little peach cobbler. Super easy. Oh yeah, those peaches look great. I love that little oatmeal crumble on top. Wow, it's so good. What an amazing, easy summer pie, you guys. Are you gonna use peaches? Or are you gonna use something else? I would 100% recommend the peaches with the sweetened condensed milk and that oatmeal crumble. 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe. You'll find it in the comments, the link to my Substack account. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.